KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 20th of November. I'm James Spann. We'll have one more dry day. Rain by Friday night as the weekend begins on Saturday. Then a pre-Thanksgiving storm system to deal with next week. So let's see if we can answer all your questions. Here's the upper air look across the country this afternoon. And as you can see, we've got a trough over the northeast, a new trough in the west, ridging just west of our state. We have a dry northwest flow aloft. And again, a beautiful day today. That's the visible satellite view. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures very nice. Mostly 60s. Birmingham at 67. Tuscaloosa managing 70. We'll be back in the upper 60s tomorrow. Pretty much the same range. Around the nation, cold air nosing into Montana and the Dakotas, but generally speaking, the number's not too bad for mid to late November. Out in the west, winter storm warnings in effect in scattered pockets all the way from the mountains of Arizona up through the Rockies, the Wasatch, also for parts of North Dakota and Minnesota, but the east is quiet. Got a marginal risk of severe storms west of the state today, parts of Texas and southwest Oklahoma. Tomorrow, a marginal risk including Dallas-Fort Worth. And on day 3, a marginal risk around Houston, Port Arthur, Galveston, Beaumont, up toward Shreveport. But no severe weather expected where we are anytime soon. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Weather relatively wet across the southern states. In Alabama, the amounts around 2 inches for the Tennessee Valley, 1 to 2 inches for the rest of the state. And we've still got a late-season tropical storm on the board. Tropical Storm Sebastian, top winds 50 miles per hour. This will move northeast, not close to land, and will likely dissipate this weekend. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. The 12Z run valid tomorrow at 3. Trough in the southwest, ridging here. And again, we'll be dry. The sky partly sunny, the high 67 to 70, much like today. A cold front north and west of the state. Friday, rain begins to creep into the far northern part of the state, the Tennessee Valley. I think for a decent chunk of the day will be dry for the rest of the state, highs in the upper 60s. This is Friday night at midnight, the best chance of rain over the northern half of the state at that point. And again, for those high school playoff games Friday night, a better chance of rain for the games probably from Birmingham north, south of Birmingham, mostly dry. Now, this is Saturday. The big question, when does the rain end? That's the question everybody's asking. This is 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon, and the rain will be ending from northwest to southeast. Let's look at the NAM. This is the 12-kilometer NAM, not the high-res, but the 12-kilometer. We can see this out to 84 hours. This is Saturday at noon, and you can see it's still raining. So for the football games in Tuscaloosa, there could be some rain that might linger into the first quarter of the game, but I think a decent chunk of that game will be dry. Now, the Auburn game, and this one kicks off at 11 as well, Auburn-Sanford, that could be wet for a decent part of that game. Temperatures at both sites should be in the 60s. No severe weather, probably not much thunder. And again, the better chance of the widespread rain Saturday morning than ending from northwest to southeast Saturday afternoon. Sunday, we're dry. Beautiful day, sunny with a high close to 60. It's going to be a bit cooler. Monday, sunny, low to mid-60s. Tuesday, this is Thanksgiving week. We'll just keep going here. You can see a new storm forming that's north of Kansas City. That surface lows under 1,000 millibars with snow and the cold air north of that. Showers down to the south. I think we're dry during the day Tuesday, but this is Tuesday night, and a band of rain and storms will likely move in here. Really no instability. I don't think this will be a severe weather setup based on what we're seeing now. And then we'll go to Wednesday, Thanksgiving Eve. Trough lifting well to the north, and the surface low is coming up into Canada. So for Thanksgiving travelers, some rain is likely up in New York and Boston. That could affect airports there. Snow likely around the Great Lakes. That might affect airports there. And for us, the rain should be ending on Wednesday. It looks like the better chance of rain would be Tuesday night, maybe early Wednesday morning. But remember, this is a week out. This probably will change. And then this is Thanksgiving Day. We're looking dry and seasonal. Highs should be in the 60s. Active weather to the west. Black Friday, the 29th. Snow in the Colorado Rockies, mountains of New Mexico. Up in the northern states, rain to the west. That still looks dry. And then this is Iron Bowl Saturday, a very deep surface low that's over Minnesota. Blizzard conditions north of that, rain moving in. But remember, this is nothing but, let's say it, voodoo land. Yeah, there's not much skill in a specific forecast that far out. This is just an idea. This is the rain for Birmingham over the next 15 days. This is the output from the European ensemble. The mean is the green line, approaching 3 inches. And numbers very seasonal, highs in the 50s and 60s and lows mostly in the 30s and 40s into the early part of December. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.